entered the airport and now I'm going to do my check-in for a new airline that I'm flying. It's the first time that I'm flying this particular airline. I'm very excited to see how the aircraft is. This is the aircraft A330 as per the documentation and as per official docs. But you never know if there has been an aircraft switch or not. But let's see if I get to see what I am here to see. For the first time in life, I'm flying Sri Lankan Airlines. Let's go. Business class. So I've checked in for my Sri Lankan Airlines UL122 flight from Chennai to Colombo, and I'm going to take my immigration exam. So I've just completed my boarding and I have the boarding pass, and now I'm very excited. So I have to clear my immigration first. Afterwards I'll go to the lounge because they've given me a free lounge since I am flying business class today. And now I'll go and clear my immigration and I'll see you in a bit. Just cleared my immigration. The person was very kind and he asked me where I'm going and have you been before, and then he asked what I do because he saw a camera in my hand. So I told him no, I'm just trying to shoot a video. So that's it. Very smooth immigration, took like 2 minutes, and now I'm going to get my security check-in done. But the catch here is that since I'm flying business class, although all the other Indian airports like have a separate queue if you fly business class so that you can get through the whole security thing very quickly. But in Chennai International Airport, in the new Terminal 2, they unfortunately do not have anything.
Yeah. Your life vest inside the aircraft, as this would impede your exit. As you leave the aircraft, inflate the life vest by pulling the red tabs downwards. Should the vest not inflate, immediately blow into the rubber tubes. For children under 2 years, special life vests are provided.
Sri Lankan Airlines UL122 Airbus A332 business class. It's good. So I think we are in the international waters. It's been about 30 minutes since my aircraft took off, and it's been good. I just had my breakfast and I'm feeling really good. Because I was really hungry, I couldn't eat anything in the lounge as well. I I entered the lounge, I went for, I brushed my teeth, and then I started getting calls and calls because they were closing the gate, the boarding gate basically. So I had to run very fast. The trip is going so unplanned. I'm yet to plan like my itinerary as well. I do not know where I'm going to stay tonight, but it's very exciting. I'm not sure if they will grant me the permission to enter the country if I do not have a valid hotel booking or not. But let's see. If they do not allow me to enter, I'll probably go and book first some hotel, some dummy place on booking.com, and then I'll leave. I'll leave the airport. Welcome to Sri Lanka, officially. Welcome to Sri Lanka, country number 7. So excited to be here. My camera just got dead. Actually, the battery of my camera just got discharged, so I had to change the battery. I changed the whole battery. Then I'm recording this again. So basically, I just cleared immigration as well. I presented my pass, so I had to fill an arrival card. And after filling the arrival card, I went to the immigration, and the immigration guys they saw the passport, didn't ask one single question, and stamped the passport and let me go. But the person who was behind me, so the guy, what he did was, he started asking what is the purpose of your visit, why are you here, and all the stuff, where is your hotel booking. But surprisingly, he didn't ask anything to me, which is good considering people often get bullied during immigration questions. So good for me. Actually, I do not have a hotel booking as well. I still don't know where I'm going to stay. I'll go outside, buy a SIM card. I have already put my phone on charge. I'll buy a SIM card, I'll explore where I have to go. The overall airport is decent enough. A lot of airlines. They also have this airline called Rosia. So Rosia flies from Colombo to Moscow. So it's a codeshare flight with Aeroloft as well, which used to be a very famous airline and a part of Star Alliance, but it is suspended because of the Russia and something. If you understand, So I'm trying to withdraw some cash from a Sri Lankan bank ATM. Enter my PIN. I want to withdraw 25,000 Sri Lankan rupees. This is a current account. I don't have a savings account. Oh, nice. Nice.